Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be analyzing PCEX platform. So why are you not able to withdraw your money from PCEX? So a lot of people are having this problem that their withdrawals are getting delayed from PCEX. People have earned a huge amount of money, and now when they are trying to withdraw their assets from PCEX, they are facing problem. There are some people that have requested a huge amount of money, but the withdrawals are stuck in between, and when they try to contact to the customer service of PCEX, the company said that they are handling many withdrawals requests at once, which is causing the slowdown. So when we invest, we always accept some risks. Even trusted investments like stock can fall. So people have money in other stocks and cryptos as well, and currently at this moment they are also down. With PCX, the withdrawal are still under review, and people are hoping that they complete their request, but I also understand the risk if they don't. So it's very important in this moment to stay calm and learn from every situation, and never invest the money that you can't afford to lose. So here you can even try to contact with the PCX customer service from time and again, and see if your withdrawals request processed or not. So your thoughts and opinions, you can just comment that down below, and if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.